Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this June the 18th. We finally have gotten some rain here. We've had a little drought for the last week and a half. Things dried up. But anyway, this video is going to be about the hostas getting squeezed out. Oh, that's my finger. So over the years, these hostas have changed a lot. I used to have 3-4 clumps of them, one there, one there, one there, and I did lots of videos. But as time goes, you add stuff to your garden, and we added these banana plants and these dianthus, and they've choked out the hostas, if you could believe it. Because originally the banana plant was over here, and every year it just comes up somewhere different. So I chose this spot this year. Anyway, what I want to do is show you how I separate and grow to remove these hostas to give to other people or relocate them. Alright, so the first thing, let's just take a look and see what we have. As you can see here, that they're dying a little bit, parts of them, because we did have a little drought going, really hot temps. So I'm just going to pull off the dead. And there's one good hosta there. Got a variegated hosta here, right there. And we got another one here. It looks like a variegated hosta too. Our camera's great. Pull off that dead. And we got another variegated one here. So it looks like I should be able to get one. I bet I could probably get another one right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's somebody hiding. I think this is a banana plant. It looks like a banana plant hiding. I'll cut that back. So let's cut this banana plant back here so we can see what we got. And then I'll show you what I do. I've shown several videos on hostas, but they're really easy. Hostas are pretty maintenance free, easy to get new ones and stuff like that. We're just gonna dig up this one. And that's all you need right there. And we're just set it aside right now till I get them all up. I got some little shovel. We'll get this one. Let's try to go up underneath it. Get as much as some dirt as I can. And there. A clump. Set it with that. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 or 3. That was one right there. Alright, so we got them all dug up. I put them over here for right now. And as your garden grows, you'll find lots of baby plants, stuff that you have to move because things get bigger or relocate. But like I said, your garden is your fun place. Just enjoy it and have a good time. So all we're going to do is take the hosta. Look at all those good roots. That's all we want, some good roots. And then just poke her in there. Put some root, cover the roots. Give some water. And then I got another one here. I'm going to put the others in there. The same way. I have to stick like 2 or 3. This is just temporary. Till I can figure out somebody to give them to. Because people sharing plants is great. All right. All done. And as you can see, I got 2 in this one. They all look pretty healthy right now. Just keep them watered. I'm going to leave them out here where I can water them until I figure out somebody to give them to or retransplant them to the church. This one looks pretty good. There's a couple of stems here I'm just going to cut back. They didn't have any leaves on them. There's a dead leaf or a brown one. Just going to cut that. And then there we go. Looks good. Just keep them watered. That's all you got to do to retransplant them. And then they're really hardy. Sometimes once you get it retransplanted, you can just cut it right there and then let it grow, because sometimes they will wilt after you plant them. But we'll see. Just keep these watered and this should be all right. Get them back in the ground pretty soon. Have fun in your garden. It's your oasis, I guess. Whatever. All right. Bye.